Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a spicy and tangy brinjal gravy recipe which is a side dish for biryani. This is also called as Baingan ka Khatta. To begin, in a pressure cooker, add a little oil and once hot, add half teaspoon mustard seeds, half teaspoon cumin seeds. Let them crackle. Then add 2 sprigs of curry leaves and let them fry well. Now add 5 brinjals which are cut into wedges, 2 thinly sliced onions and fry till the onions turn soft and the brinjal turns its color to light brown. Now you can see the brinjal is fried well. Add half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon garam masala powder, 3/4 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon freshly ground ginger garlic paste. Fry well till the raw smell of the spices and ginger garlic paste reduces. Now that the brinjal is well fried with the spices, add 2 tablespoons of curd and stir fry well till the curd is cooked well and releases enough oil. This is puree of 5 tomatoes and 2 green chilies. I have added more tomatoes as I prefer more gravy. Add salt as per taste and stir well. Add finely chopped coriander leaves, 3 to 5 tablespoons of tamarind water. Here I have mixed 1 tablespoon of tamarind pulp and mixed with 1/4 cup of water. Stir well, cover the lid and pressure cook for 3 whistles. Open the lid once the pressure is normally released and this yummy, spicy, tangy brinjal gravy or Baingan ka Khatta is ready to serve. Do try this recipe and let me know how did you like this. Also like, share, subscribe to my channel for more recipes. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, bye bye and Allah Hafiz.